the momentum. So momentum is P is equal to m into v. Now x is this, so therefore the velocity will be dx upon dt, which comes out to be a omega cos omega t. So therefore the momentum is m a omega cos omega t, and displacement is anyway this. So when we have to find the relationship between momentum and displacement, so therefore P by m a w, which is cos square omega t, plus x by a whole square, this is sin square omega t, both addition should be equal to 1, and this is the graph of an ellipse. So therefore C is going to be the answer. So ellipse is basically x square by a square plus y square divided by b square is equal to 1, and this is how the ellipse is formed. In x there will be a, which is the semi-major axis, in y there will be b.